looks, guys. Nasunog man siya. Nilagyan ko lang ng cheese. I use Eden cheese. And I think you can use regular cheddar cheese. So, ganyan. It's very easy. You try it, guys. And super sarap nito kahit sunog.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, JosCrafts&DIYs. Today we will be making cassava cake and I am so excited to share with you my purple cassava cake.
Ingredients po natin ay we have 2 packs of grated cassava. Frozen yan siya. And we have 1 pack of shredded young coconut. Tapos we have coconut milk. And I have this condensed milk. This is ube flavor and it will make my cassava purple. And I have 1 egg. Instead of putting butter or oil, I just put egg. And I have an extra can of condensed milk. Gagamitin ko siya for my topping. I might use just a little bit of this one. So we'll just have to mix everything. I don't really care. It doesn't matter which ones comes first. I just mix everything. So I have the 2 packs here, 2 packs of cassava. There's my coconut or young coconut, and I'm just gonna put, that's my coconut milk, that's that one, and then I'm gonna put my milk. There's the purple milk. So I put 1 can. It's actually just enough for me. It's not too sweet. So, and then I'm just gonna add my egg. This is organic egg from my friend's chicken. So there's something in there. Okay, so nandyan na ang ating mga ingredients. Lahat-lahat. I'll just mix it up and get it ready. And I love to do it mano-mano. I don't use the electric mixer. I'll even use my mixer talaga. Gusto ko lang yan lang. Ito lang ginagamit ko. Just give it a good mix. And after nito, ilalagay mo na sa baking pan. Preheat the oven pala. 350. Should be okay. It's 350 right there. Yeah, ganda ang consistency niya. So there you go, guys. I'm baking it for 45 minutes at 350. So it's been an hour. I'm sorry, I said it's gonna be 45 minutes. So this is cooked. I'm gonna put milk, and guess what, before that I will just share this. Hindi naman ako nagbabasa. I just realized that this one is condensed creamer. I don't even know what a condensed creamer is, but yeah, good thing I have an extra can of condensed milk. So I'm just gonna put that para matamis-tamis yung top niya. Yan. So, I'll just spread it out. Yan, kahit konti lang. And guys, look at this. Nasunog. I was supposed to have the oven door open kasi naka-brewel. Nabisi ako sa paghugas ng pinggan. Napabayaan at sanarado. So, nasunog. Super sunog. Ang gusto ko lang is like this. hindi ganyan kasunog. Yan lang. Pero, masarap pa din yan. Kasi lalagyan ko ng cheese. So,
Here it
yeah.
is guys, my purple cassava cake. Ito na yung pinaka-paborito kong dadalhin kung may potluck kami with friends. And I really love it and they love it too. So if you guys like the video, please let me know by hitting the like button or leaving a comment down below. Bye guys!